Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make salmon and potatoes. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures everything cooks evenly and gets that perfect crisp. Next, prepare your potatoes by cutting about 1.5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Finally, take your salmon fillets, roughly 1.5 pounds, and pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful, crispy skin on your fish. Now, let's get that salmon ready for the oven. Drizzle your fillets with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Arrange the salmon skin side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Pop it into your preheated 400-degree oven and roast for 12 to 15 minutes, or until it flakes easily with a fork. While your salmon is roasting, let's focus on those delicious potatoes. In a large bowl, toss your cubed Yukon Golds with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure every piece is well coated. Spread them out in a single layer on a separate baking sheet. This ensures maximum crispiness. Roast them in the same 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through for even browning. Once both the salmon and potatoes are perfectly cooked and golden, it's time to bring it all together. Transfer your beautifully roasted salmon and crispy potatoes to plates. For a fresh finish, sprinkle with some fresh chopped parsley or dill. This simple addition really brightens up the dish. Serve immediately and savor every bite of this incredibly satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.